everyone and welcome to GCSE Maths Help. Today we're going to be looking at ratios exam paper questions. This video is a follow-on from my Ratios Key Points video, which I will link in the bio below. If you haven't watched that video, you might find it useful before looking at exam questions. For everyone else, let's get started. So our first question says, white paint costs £2.80 per litre. Blue paint costs £3.50 per litre. White paint and blue paint are mixed at a ratio of 3:2. Work out the cost of 18 litres of this mixture. So if we're mixing 3 parts white paint to 2 parts blue paint, each litre is going to have 5 parts of paint in it. So in 1 litre of paint, we're going to have 0.6 litres of white paint, 0.4 litres of blue paint. So for 18 litres, we need to times 0.6 by 18 to give us 10.8 litres, and 0.4 by 18 to give us 7.2 litres. So the white paint costs £2.80 per litre, so £2.80 times 10.8 litres is equal to £30.24. So £3.50 for our blue paint times 7.2 litres is going to equal £25.20. So totalling, that's going to equal £55.44 for all the 18 litres of the mixture. So our next question says, Rana sells 192 cakes in the ratio 7:6:11, small, medium to large. The profit for one medium cake is twice the profit for one small cake. The profit for one large cake is 3 times the profit for one small cake. Her total profit is £532.48. Work out the profit for one small cake. So we've been told how many cakes have been sold and we've been told in what ratio. So we need to work out how many cakes are represented by one part of the ratio. So our ratio up here, we've got 7 plus 6 plus 11. So our 192 cakes need to be split into 24 parts so we can see what one part of the ratio represents. So if we do 192 divided by 24, that gives us 8 cakes per part of the ratio. So the small cakes are represented by 7 parts of the ratio. So we'll times our 8 cakes by 7 to find that there were 56 small cakes sold. So the medium cakes are represented by 6 parts of the ratio. So we'll do 8 cakes times 6 is equal to 48 medium cakes. And for the large, that's 11 parts of the ratio. So we'll do 8 cakes times 11, which is 88 for the large cakes. So now we can have a look at the profits. So if the profit of one medium cake is twice as much as the profit for one small cake, and the profit for one large cake is 3 times the profit of one small cake, our ratio for the profit is going to be 56 to 2 lots of 48, which is 96, to 3 lots of 88, which is 264. So those 3 total to make 416. So these are the parts that we need to split the profit into. So our profit is £532.48. We need to split that into 416 parts to go with our ratio. So each part is going to equal £1.28. So the profit for one small cake is going to be 1 times £1.28. So this is our answer. So our next question is about comparing ratios. So the ratio of E to F is 2:3 and the ratio of F to G is 5:4. Work out the ratio of E to G. Give your answer in its simplest form. So because F features in both of these ratios, we're going to work out what the other letter is equal to when F is equal to 1. We're going to simplify them down. So E to F is currently 2:3. So to get F to 1, we divide by 3. So we need to divide 2 by 3 as well to give us 2/3. Let's do the same for the other one. We've got f to g is 5 to 4. So to get f to 1, we divide by 5. So let's divide 4 by 5 as well. So when f is equal to 1, e is equal to 2/3, and when f is equal to 1, g is equal to 4/5. So now we can say that because they're both equal to f when f is 1, we can say that they're equal to each other. So now it says, give your answer in its simplest form. So let's tidy this up a bit. I'm going to times both of them by 3 to give us 2 is equal to 12 over 5. And I'm going to times both of them by 5 to give us 10 to 12. So it says give your answer in its simplest form, so we can divide both of these numbers by 2. So our answer in its simplest form is 5 to 6. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to have a little recap on the key points on this topic, click the link in the bio below. Don't forget to subscribe to GCSE Maths Help with the subscribe button below, or you can check out my Instagram page at GCSE Maths Help for more videos and tips. Thanks for watching.